the 12 days of business, day 3. So here is your question for day 3. As you can see, you've got some details at the top of the page, and you've got an invoice you need to complete for Damien. You'll see here that you have to do 6 different areas, and there's 1 mark for each area. Pause video while you do this, and then unpause to see the answers. Okay, so firstly, you have to find the total price of the scented candles. You do that by doing the quantity, 250, multiplied by the unit price of £8.50. You need to do similar for the candles, so you have to do 275 multiplied by £4. Then you have to calculate the total price. That's really simple. You just add together your total price for your scented candles and the total price for your candles. You then need to calculate a discount, and the clue is in the word discount. That's 10% discount, so 10% discount of the total price. If you're wondering how to do that, either find 10% by moving the columns across or multiply by 0.10. That gives you £322.50. You then need to give the subtotal, the amount that Damien has to pay. Now remember, he gets a discount, so you've got to take that away from the total price. So that gives you £2,902.50. You're being told that he has to pay £40 postage and packaging. So that gives him a total pay of £2,942.50 because he has to pay the packaging on top of the subtotal. If you got all those right, well done. You would have got yourself a nice, easy 6 marks. Well done, because you've now completed day 3 of the 12 days of business.